Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add motion tracking effect on CapCut PC. First of all, you can see that I am on the editing interface of CapCut PC and now I have imported two videos and I'm gonna use all of the videos to use the motion tracking. So you have to drag the videos to the first timeline, then you can adjust the length if you want. So for the demonstration, I'm going to make this video short for the easy processing. Now you have to copy the video and paste it. So you have to drag the video to the second timeline, just have the original one. Now you can see there are many options here like video, speed, animation, tracking. Click on tracking and there are two options now, and motion tracking. Click on motion tracking. You can see there are many options like direction. You can select both or forward or backward direction which you want, and you can also enable or disable this skill. It is better to enable it. And the last one is distance. If you want to track the distance motion, you can enable it. It's better to enable this. Now you can see that there is a square yellow shape for identifying the object which you are gonna track. So I'm going to track the motion of this particular man. Now you can see a button start. Click on this start button and as you can see that it's tracking now. It may take some time. We have to wait patiently until the tracking is finished. That's all, the tracking has been finished. Now let's see how it looks. As you can see here, so this is how exactly it looks. This is not much professional but it's good. So that's how you can track motion in CapCut. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.